and we want them to scaffold so that they are the leaders for future.
Technology will not replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational.
Greetings from PF Chapter Fraternity. Our educational philosophy is to prepare students for life, for an unknown future, by enabling them to acquire the required knowledge, skills, and attitude. We want them to be globally connected and have the wisdom and skills to face future challenges, accept situations, risks, and be sound decision makers, and also prioritize their tasks and actions. Currently, digital learning has replaced traditional education methods. Classroom dynamics are changing rapidly, and it is time to think about newer teaching and learning techniques based on digital learning tools and technologies. Our guidelines are solidly focused on digital citizenship and holistic learning. We are the only education system in the country so far who is facilitating robotics education in true sense with high-end technology and equipment.
Digital learning will continue to play a crucial role in education by empowering students to take responsibility towards learning and expanding their horizons. We aim to transition our academic model to the EdTech vision. Microsoft Education Platform will enable our students to grow holistically, develop 21st century learners' skills, transform and equip them for a digital world so that they can translate their vision into reality. Digital learning has become part and parcel of the learning motto, I am to learn.
To students' creativity, and definitely when the resource is of their own choice, the students love to have those. Rather, we also do not compromise on e-safety so that they have a very safe future.
And around 1,000 plus MIEs. By the end of this year, almost 2,000 subject teachers will also receive MIE and STEM Level 1 certification. We are really thankful to Microsoft for their continuous support in achieving our aim of educational transformation through technology. We are the only institution in Pakistan whose ICT curriculum is aligned with ISTE